results review meeting is an opportune time for collaboration. To make the meeting productive, it takes some planning and discipline. Hi, I'm Connie Siu. Welcome to the series on performance measurement. In this video, I would like to share 4 key elements to a productive results review meeting. The first 2 relate to preparation before the meeting. The last 2 relate to the conversation in the meeting. First element, review before the meeting. Distribute the results a couple of days prior to the meeting. This gives everyone time to take a close look at the numbers, particularly the area he or she is responsible for. Identify cause for performance gaps. Knowing the why helps to determine what to do about the gaps. Second element, solution options. Have each person identify potential solutions before the meeting. This minimizes the brainstorming time and expedites the conversation in the meeting. The first 2 elements, review before the meeting and solution options, are done before the meeting. Third element, during the meeting, have individuals share their findings and potential solutions. If there's any need for support from other areas, identify what it is and get agreement on how best to collaborate. By focusing on solutions, the forward-looking discussion leaves little time for finger pointing. The fourth and the last element is action confirmation. Now you know what the solution is, and you have alignment on how best to proceed. Confirm the timeline and task ownership. This solidifies the action plan. The third and fourth element, support and action confirmation, are what you secure in the meeting. So instead of looking at the results, attempting to sort out cause, and tackle issues all in the meeting, having participants come prepared so they are ready to firm up next steps saves everyone time. Folks leave the meeting feeling accomplished. Now you have a productive results review meeting that also boosts team spirit. Thank you for watching. I'm Connie Siu.